Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will discuss an out-of-box idea. The lesson for today is out-of-box idea. Just try to concentrate with me to learn new things and very genius things. Okay, now today's lesson will be about how to hide partition C. How to hide partition C, not hide file, not hide any folder. No, now I wanna hide this partition C. There is always inside the Windows you have to run third-party programs from outside to hide this partition C. Okay, but I will teach you now. Today's lesson will be about how to hide this partition C from internal secrets inside Windows registry tools. Okay, this is for today's lesson will be about how to hide partition C. Let's concentrate with me to know and to learn new things and out-of-box idea. Okay, let's see how to hide this partition C. Now keep pressing shift from keyboard, run registry editing tools. Okay, from registry editing tools, HK current user. Under this current user, software. Under software I choose Microsoft. Under Microsoft I choose Windows. Under Windows current version. Inside this current version I'll put policies, because I'll give a policies to this system. Under Explorer I'll add here some new value. Let's concentrate with me. Policies, Explorer, at the right side I'll add a new digital word 32. I'll name it no drives. Okay, this is to no drives. Okay, and give it the value 4. Okay, now partition C will be hidden, but after sign out or restart your computer it will be not hidden now. Okay, but you will find it hidden already in after sign out. Let's sign out now after making this modification to see what is the result. Okay, let's make sign out from Windows now. Let's sign in again. Okay, so I can pause the video now. Okay, now I will sign in inside this Windows. Let's see, I don't wanna waste your time, so I'll pause the video again until signed in. Now already signed in. Okay, I'll maximize this virtual machine. Let's complete our lesson. Let's check the partition C is already hidden now or not. Already open my computer, open this PC, double click. Now partition C already hidden. Okay, so what change we put inside registry is already working very well. Okay, let's open registry tools again. Okay, go to the same location before, HK current user, software, Microsoft, Windows. Okay, under Windows current version, policies. Okay, policies will be here, and the policies Explorer. So this no drives already actually it's already working perfectly. So we have to export this button. We have to export this change. Okay, export. I'll name it hide partition C. Hide HPC means hide partition C, abbreviation like Microsoft. Okay, now I saved it on the desktop, HPC. This to hide partition C. Let's display partition C. Let's unhide partition C again. If I wanna unhide partition C again, I'll put the value. I'll change the value for this no drives to 0. Change the value to 0. Okay, so I'll export. Also I'll export this change. Export this change. I'll unhide HPC. Unhide means HPC hide partition C. Unhide partition C. I'll name it like this. This to unhide partition C. This value to hide partition C. This value to unhide partition C. So let's check it out. Now partition C is not appears here. Okay, let's sign out now. Sign out, power, sign out now. Okay, until this process completed, I'll pause this video until this process completed. Okay, now completed. We log into this Windows. Let's maximize this screen, make refresh. Let's go there. If partition C appears again, it means our commands is working perfectly. Open this PC. Okay, some hanging because it is still signing in. Signing in. Okay, starting up, still not completed. Starting up, not completed. So it will work perfectly now. So you will see partition C. Now partition C is appears again. Okay, unhide. So this can hide partition C. This can unhide partition C. So if I want to add this as a button inside this drive context menu, like this disk cleanup and optimize drives, I'll add here also hide partition C and unhide partition C. How to add it again? Let's see how to make it perfectly. Okay, firstly we have to copy these two commands, these two scripts, register script, inside Windows, under system folder. Okay, you can copy it to any location, but you have to know this location very well because we will use it later. Okay, we will use it later inside system. Okay, because system always empty like this. So I'll copy these two scripts, Windows register scripts. So now we have to add two commands to this partition: hide partition C and unhide partition C. Okay, also the same. If we add it here, it will be displayed also for the CD context menu. For any drive context menu will be appear this two commands: hide partition C and unhide partition C. Let's add it now inside registry. Okay, so let's take partition shortcut to the desktop to avoid opening this PC many times. Okay, this is drive C. The same command will be displayed here, the same command at the right at the same location. So now we have to add these two commands to this drive partition, the drive context menu. Let's open registry. Open registry file. Now we will go there again. We have these two effects, so we have to let's delete this effect now because we don't know any things. Okay, let's add these two commands to the drive. Now the drive, there is no commands added to this drive. Let's add it hkey classes root. Okay, under hkey classes root we will go to drive, DRI. Okay, drive, this drive. Under drive I will go to shell. Under shell I'll add my button. Okay, I'll add button new key. I name this key hide HPC, means hide partition C. So I'll create also another key name command to give a command inside this option command. Okay, at the right side of this HPC, the new key I created, I'll name it hide drive or partition, you whatever you wanna write, you have to write. Okay, hide drive C. Okay, and also I'll create another key, new key. I name it UNHPC, means unhide partition C. And also I'll create a new command to run a command to hide partition C and unhide partition C. Now right click on the drive, I'll see hide partition C and unhide partition C, but I didn't name this, so I'll unhide partition C, I have to name it from the right side like this. So unhide drive C, unhide drive C. So now partition C or drive C context menu, you'll see hide partition C and unhide partition C. Also CD-ROM or DVD, also context menu, you will find the hide partition C and unhide partition C. So how to make it run okay perfectly? Now firstly we copy all of these two scripts to the system folder. So how to run these two scripts? The associated program to run these two scripts is registry, regedit. Okay, regedit.exe. So to hide this script is to hide partition C. So I'll name inside this command at the right side, I'll write a command to run this script. Okay, so I write regedit.exe /s mean silently without giving any confirmation. Okay, regedit. So what is the location for this script hpc? Inside C partition, I write C / Windows / system. Okay, system. Under system, I write hpc.reg because this is the extension for this script, register script. You have to see regedit.exe /s silently, run this command silently. What is this registry associated program to run? Where is the script location? Is under C, under Windows, under system, hpc reg. This is the script name. Okay, we copied before. So this is the command to run this hide partition C. Okay, let's copy the same. Okay, the same copy, and the unhide will be the same, but small different will be here. I'll add before hpc un hpc. Okay, reg. This is to hide and this is to unhide. So if I run it now, hide partition C, hide drive C, and unhide, it will work perfectly. So let's see the status now. What is the status now? Partition C is displayed, appears. Okay, so how? Let's see. Unhide drive C. See, no confirmation message coming, and also the effect already added to inside the registry. So inside this one, after we do sign out, you will not find this partition C because we already give the order to the partition hide drive C. So let's sign out to see what is the result, hidden or not. Sign out now. Okay, I don't wanna waste your time, so we have to pause the video now. Okay, let's complete our lesson for hide and unhide. We give the command hide partition C. Okay, before signing out. Okay, so we have to check this PC. Partition C already hidden or hide, hidden or not? No, I think we have to hide partition C now. Hide partition C. Regedit. Let's check the location. Inside partition C, Windows, system. Where is the Windows system? HPC, it already exists, so no problem. So 4, good. This one, the value is 0. The value is 0. Good. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is hide partition C is already applied. Hide partition C. Let's check it out. Hide partition C. Now give the command silently. Let's check it out inside the registry. It's if already added to the system or not. Policies, Explorer, no drives already added. So if we signed it, if I add now unhide partition C, it will be applied silently. So we have to go there to check if added, new, yes, added. So working perfectly. So if we right click hide partition C now, already applied. Okay, so if we sign out now, let's sign out. Okay, and also let's sign in again. Okay, let's sign in again. Now when we open this window now, this Windows, we will find partition C already disappeared. Okay, now already disappeared. This is for partition C. If we wanna display partition C again, if we wanna unhide this partition C again, so at the DVD drive, right click, you will find unhide partition, unhide drive C. Okay, now this command applied successfully. See, this is the command applying at the background of the system silently. So we have to sign out again. Sign out and sign in. So the effect will be activated after sign out. Okay, the already will be activated after sign out. So when we sign in now to the Windows, so we will find partition C already unhide. Okay, already displayed, will be exists inside this PC. Let's check it out now. I'll cut this wasting time from this video in montage. Okay, let's open now, displayed. So if I wanna sign out, hide partition C and unhide partition C, hide drive C and unhide drive C will be displayed. But you wanna this hide the partition C and unhide partition C to be hidden, not like this. When I right click to the partition, it will be displayed. So anyone can sit on your computer, can hide partition C and unhide partition C. If you make it hidden, so anyone will be sit on your computer, will change it easy. So we have to hide these two commands to be hidden. Will be displayed only if you keep pressing shift and right click, it will be displayed. So how to make it like this? How to give this one, these two commands is a hidden to be hidden. Okay, not very easy to be displayed like this. So I wanna make these two commands to be hidden. Hide drive C and hide drive C. How to make it hidden? Let's open registry. Okay, let's open registry. Keep pressing shift, registry like this. So these two commands were added already to the drive. HK classes root. Let's go to the drive. Okay, inside drive, shell, under shell, hide partition C. I will add a new value. I'll name it extended. Okay, and also I'll go to the unhide partition C. I'll add the value extended. Okay, to be hidden. Now if I click to the partition, like I will not find the hide partition C. It's already hidden. Okay, it's already becomes hidden. So how to display? Keep pressing shift from keyboard and right click. So hide drive C will be displayed, unhide partition C will be displayed. So if a normal right click to to display context menu for the drive, it will not be displayed. Hide drive C. And also to the DVD, hide drive C will not be displayed until you keep pressing shift from keyboard and right click. So you will find hide drive C and unhide drive C will be activated. So I think it's a very good lesson. You will already learned new things and out of box idea. You have to apply it to your system very fast to protect your partition C from accessing or to avoid any delete any files from partition C. So you have to hide partition C. Partition C means the Windows partition. So you have to protect it by hide this partition. So this is the main target for this lesson, to hide the operating system partition to avoid access and copy and make any trouble happen to drive C. Later I will discuss how to restrict access to partition C. How to restrict access to partition C, or how to deny access to partition C. If you double click on the partition C, it will not be opened. It will give you a message. This is already restricted by administrator. Okay, I'll teach you later how to restrict access to partition C. In this lesson, I teach you how to hide partition C and how to give it as a command. Keep pressing shift from keyboard now to hide partition C and unhide partition C. Unhide drive C, hide drive C, and unhide drive C. Now we reach to the end of the video. You have to enjoy this script, the two scripts. You have to apply what I said exactly. So these two, and also how to add this button to the. I'll export also this script. Let's open registry to hide partition C and unhide partition C, I have to export it also. So you have to copy HPC and HPC to system folder under Windows. Okay, and how to add these two commands, I'll give it to you now. HK classes root, I'll go to drive. Okay, inside under drive shell, under shell HPC and UHPC. Okay, I'll export. This is the menu added to the drive. Export. I'll name it hide drive C menu. I name it menu. Okay, hide drive C menu. I'll export it to desktop. I'll put it here. So let's also unhide, export partition C to desktop, unhide drive C. I'll add the same. I'll add unhide drive C. Save to the desktop. Let's merge these two scripts in one script. Hide drive C. Let's open this script. Copy all, cut. Okay, then I'll paste it there inside this menu. Okay, to be one script. So we have to remove this one. Go there, go out. So you'll copy these two scripts to folder system under Windows, and this one just double click to add these two options: hide partition C and unhide drive C. Hide drive C and unhide drive C. And try to remember, you have to keep pressing shift from keyboard to display these two commands. I created this as a hidden commands to avoid anyone to use these commands. Now if you right click, normal right click from mouse, okay, so you will not find hide drive C. So if you keep pressing shift from keyboard and right click on the drive C, you will find hide drive C and unhide drive. This menu will be added to the drive by this script. Okay, yeah, this script to add these two commands to the drive context menu. Okay, hide and unhide. And these two scripts, you have to copy these two scripts to partition to drive to the drive C under Windows under system folder. So like we did before, under Windows, under system. Okay, under system, these two scripts will be added, and to have to add these two hide and unhide menu to the menu drive menu, hide drive C menu to drive menu. Okay, yeah, hide drive C to drive menu. Okay, now you understand. So I'll compress this, send to compressed file. So this script will be under this video, so you can download these scripts. Okay, hide drive C to the drive menu script. Okay, now we reach to the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.